Hey everyone, my name is Yograj Sikka. I am student of Center for Global Education at Chitkara University in collaboration with Deakin University, Australia. Today I am demonstrating my task 4.2c of SIT210 Embedded System Development, which is Arduino Nano 33 IRT multiple interrupts. In this, we had given hardware required, which are Arduino Nano, one push button, one sensor like for example motion sensor, one or two LEDs, resistors, and in this we had used software of Arduino IDE. In this you can see we had given the objective to use the push button to control an LED, use an additional sensor like we had used motion sensor in this to control the same LED or another LED. We had used the another LED and handle that LED from the motion sensor and one LED from the push button. Handling the multiple interrupts efficiently to process both inputs with using loops and polling. In this you can see here given interrupt 1 and interrupt 2. After that you can see hardware platform consideration. You can consider any hardware which can be compatible with this. So now let's discuss the code. Here you can see it is the code of my project. Here in first I had defined the button pin on the pin number 2 of the Arduino Nano and peer pin on the pin number 3, LED 1 which is on the pin number 6 and LED 2 which is pin on the pin number 7. After that we had used volatile function because these variables are changed inside interrupts, so we had given volatile bool LED1 state is equals to low, which will let the LED1 is initially off, and same for the LED2. After that we had used a interrupts. In this we had used void handle button interrupt function to use that, and after that to check LED1 state is not equal to LED1 state, then print or accessible the LED. After that we had used print LED to serial monitor. We had used if loop for printing the for giving various commands in this. After that we had used the same for the LED2, which we had done using the interrupt handle pair interrupt. After that we had given if we use if loop to check or give the conditions in the command. After that we had used the void setup. In this we had given the pin mode to the LED as output because they are glowing and giving us the output. After that we had given the pin mode button pin to the input because he is taking the input and then lighting up the LEDs. After that we had given the pin mode peer pin to the input because it is detecting the motion and taking the input. After that we had used serial.begin 9600, which is the baud rate. After that we had used while serial is not taking, then attach interrupt digital input pin to interrupt. After that same for the pair pin and same for the button pin. After that we had used void loop. So you can see the hardware here. You can see the hardware here in this is my hardware. So you can see easily the ground pin of the Arduino Nano is connected to here in the negative terminal in the negative line, and then these are connected to the further short side of the LEDs, and same for the positive terminal, which are D5 and D6, are connected to the positive terminals of which are further connected with resistors. And same I had connected the button on the trick pin D2, you can see here, and D3 on the D3 I had connected here in the middle of the motion sensor. And here you can see 5.5 volt which we had short for the higher voltage is connected to the first point of the RDU. So let's run the code. So you can see the code has been compiled successfully and uploading. So you can see the code has been uploaded successfully. Let's open the serial monitor now. So you can see there is no further readings until or unless I had detected anything. After that motion is detected. So you can see I will show you in my hand. So whenever an motion detected, it will light up, and when again the motion detected, it will end and shut off the LED. You can see here. If I so you can see whenever I go near it, it will show an message and send the message to the LED, and the LED will start glowing. And whenever it detect motion again, the LED will turn off, and whenever it detect again, it will turn on. I can also manage it by button. You can see here it is the button. So you can see I can manage it. You can see the LED 1 is also glowing, and here the message is also shown here. So when I click here again, the LED will turn off. These are the multiple interrupts. One interrupt from ourself by pushing the button using push button, and one from the motion sensor which is going automatically by detecting the sensors, by detecting motions. Thank you. Have a nice day.